What's up, it's KeAndre Lambert-Smith, #1 wide receiver for the Penn State Nittany Lions, and I'm here with someone who doesn't even need an introduction.
Wow, my name is Dvon Ellies, number 91, defensive tackle for Penn State. So today we'll be making brown sugar maple bacon burgers. We'll start off with our ground beef, okay? Now with our ground beef, we'll be using these seasonings: onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and Lowry's, of course. You always gotta have your Lowry's. First, we're gonna start off with our onion powder, season to preference.
That's it, you don't even need no measurement cup.
You feel me? Then you get your garlic powder right here. You feel me? Season to preference. All right. Then you got your smoked paprika. These always be so hard to open.
That's not open Lowry's for you.
Season to preference right here.
I think you've been a little gentle with it, honestly.
Oh, I'm being gentle?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I can't be too gentle.
You got a little more.
So good. Then we got our Lowry's, of course. Okay. Then we got Uno here. Uno about to mix it up for us, you know.
If you guys can't tell already, he's a natural to this. This is pretty natural to him, not to me.
But he's doing it well though, doing it real well. Now that we got that all mixed up, now we're gonna take it and we're gonna patty him up.
I feel like I'm a little kid playing in the snow or something. Snowball.
It do feel a little crazy. Oh, you see that? Perfect. Stop playing.
I think yours too small.
This one is better. Which one I prefer? I don't know. Yours is a little
I think mine is
thick,
like perfect for a bun. I shouldn't be enjoying this.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Had a little bit too much fun.
I'm sitting here cheesing at the patties though, bro. Oh, wait. Camera, you can zoom in on these burgers.
Yeah,
just tell me which burgers look better.
Which ones look better? Which one looks better?
Yours look trash. Who's look better?
Time out. Let me put a little bit more dedication.
No,
Hold on.
exactly.
I was master of pottery. Nobody really knows. A little secret.
You see this little trick I'm doing right here? You gotta throw it up a little bit.
He think he in the pizzeria. It's like some you get from Wise. Pre-made burgers.
Oh wow, shout out Wise.
Shout out Wise. All right, now that we got that prepped, we're about to go over and prep our bacon. It's bacon. All right. So we got
it's a special kind of bacon.
Oh, my fault. The Cajun bacon.
Yeah.
You know, one of the best out. You know, we go through 10 pounds of it on game day.
Yeah.
So we got the Cajun bacon going here. We got it on a low heat. You don't want your brown sugar to burn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay a couple pieces down. Ooh.
You hear that sizzle? Hold on, I might gotta get a little closer.
Ooh. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some brown sugar right here. We're gonna sprinkle it on.
Oh, yeah, I did honest. You know, I got that wrist work. Not too much?
Okay, wrist work, yes sir. Not too. Now you wanna add a little bit more than that, Salt Bae.
Oh, more than that?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. You putting your elbow into this.
There you go.
These look
brown
crazy.
sugar. There you go.
Crazy. I'm not really even a big bacon fan, but so just to be clear, Chef Vaughn has decided to put my 3 burgers up there first, and it's for an obvious reason. But continue, Chef Vaughn. You know, nice, thick, juicy, well cooked, well designed, well balled up burgers. You know.
Okay.
Kind of giving me like a Applebee's vibe.
Applebee's?
Yeah.
Applebee's? Okay.
Got good burgers.
Mine
Got good burgers?
No, for sure. I feel like mine more like Brazilian steakhouse type thing. Now we're just sauteing some onions. Putting this together for our burgers.
Nice and brown.
Yep. We're using the same grease as the grease we use to cook our burgers. Add some flavor to it. So now what we got here, we got our semi-assembled burgers. We got our burger, our cheese, and then you got your condiments here, your tomato, your onions, and then you got your caramelized bacon here, and then you got your lettuce here. I'm gonna give it a nice little bed of lettuce right here, you know? All right, so now we're gonna take the top of the buns. Of course, I mix mine, you know.
Yeah.
Yep. Ready? Okay. Good.
Okay, chef. Okay, this is good.
You seen the results.
Yeah.
You know where we're getting it from, shout out Wise.
Yeah. Shout out Wise.
And you see we're clearly loving it. You
Shout
know?
out Chef Vaughn.
Shout
He
out
put his elbow into this.
Shout out sous chef Dre, you feel me? He really, he might have put his big toe in this one, you know?
Yeah, I was about to say you put your toe in it.
You put your, we both put it in, you know?
Hope y'all enjoyed it.
This is a great meal that you can prepare on game days, of course.
Yeah.
And you can get everything from Wise, that's the best part. Thank you for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.
Stay beefy.